All right, so we are testing out the adjustments that we made to the live stream. And as you can tell, we now have the radar pulled up, and you'll be able to see the little red dot. That's going to be our location, as well as where we literally are over on the right hand side where the little GPS marker is. And then we also have the direction that we're going to be headed, the altitude that we're at, and the temperature outside at our current location. These will update as we move about. And so, I do believe that, yeah, we're in business. And so hopefully our live stream is working like it should. I don't see any glitches that we had before as we were streaming, with it lagging and doing all of those things. And so whenever we turn up here, we're going to see, I noticed that it's been moving back and forth, 359 degrees, 0 degrees. And so I don't believe that we're going to have any issues there. I am going to see if there's one more thing that we can add to that. And that would be wind direction. I don't know that it's on the program that I'll be using, but it would be interesting to see. And if so, we can add that to our little row of information down there above the other ways to watch and contact us at X, and then obviously our YouTube channel. And so, or excuse me, yeah, Twitter, I'm sorry, Twitch, man, I'm getting everything confused here. But yeah, so should be all right. Our direction did update. It says we're doing 269 degrees now, which is correct because we're almost due west, and we are in Guthrie, Oklahoma. We'll also need to check on the audio, and let me bring up the chat doc to see if anybody is commenting, because if you are, then I would like if someone would let me know if the audio sounds all right. We were, for some reason, we were in mono a while ago when we streamed the first time, and hopefully that's not the case this time. Hopefully our mic sounds good again. No. Nope, Papa's just testing stuff out to make sure when we do go storm chasing that everything works like it's supposed to. And I think that we're doing all right, with the exception of my inverter buzzing at me again. I guess it sends SOS signals out. I don't know. Everything is running in the green. No dropped frames.
I just noticed we both have red sweaters.
What?
I just noticed we both have red sweaters on.
Yep.
This is the sweater for Christmas, though.
Yeah, you'll probably have to get rid of that because it's going to be warm. It's 75 degrees already. So,
Maybe my baby sister can wear it when she's older.
yeah, we don't need that. You'll get too hot today. We're going to take the kids to the zoo, and so
And have fun with the animals.
there you go. You heard it. Heard it live from Scarlett Hardy. And I really wish that thing would quit. May have dropped a few frames back there just a few minutes ago, but everything else looks like it's running good. And I said SOS, I meant Morse code. But we're going to leave the stream going for just a little bit, just to check it out, make sure that everything's working like it's supposed to. And I believe that it is. If it's working like it's supposed to, it will update our location over there on the right-hand side where it says Guthrie. Whenever we cross over the road up here in just a few minutes. As a matter of fact, we might even take and drive north first, because we don't have to pick up our other passenger for just a few minutes. So we might see if it updates to that location. But I wouldn't see why it wouldn't with everything else working like it is. So that is the next order of business, is to take and get my inverter fixed so it doesn't beep like that anymore.
Why does it beep like that?
Because it doesn't get enough power, I guess. Should be running about 13 volts, and I think it's probably dropping down to 12 or so.
Faster than my brother. He's even a soccer player.
Yeah, he's a soccer player.
He
Oh,
likes messy
yeah, cool.
Plus, Ronaldo the GOAT. Which one do you like? Neymar or Messi or Ronaldo?
I don't know.
You should pick Messi or Ronaldo.
Yeah.
Both of them are my favorite. What's the bag down here?
So, you folks that are joining, if you haven't, I would invite you, and I would certainly appreciate it if you haven't already done so. Hit that subscribe button and the like, the share, and obviously the notification bell.
How do you know what that is? Are you famous? Papa, are you famous because you storm
But
Are you famous because you storm
I am not famous. No,
We're not famous.
I'm not famous. Oh, that beeping. That has got to go.
Stop beeping.
Yeah, stop beeping.
No, that's
Gotta get that fixed. Definitely got to get that fixed. That is annoying as all get out.
Wait, you have to watch the video 3 times of that. You should make a storm plushie.
A storm slushy?
A storm
I think she's onto something.
plushie.
I think that she is onto something. Storm slushy.
No, storm plushie.
Plushy. Like a little tornado plushie?
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree with you.
And you can give it out to people if they watch the video 3 times.
You are a genius. I like your thinking, girl.
Oh, and you can make big ones.
Big ones and little ones. Yeah, I like that
And a
idea.
keychain.
Man, listen to your ideas.
Can you tell them that?
You are so smart.
Make them next week. Okay?
We need to make a merch shop, don't we? And we need to take and put storm plushies on there.
And I have the greatest idea.
Huh?
There could be a boy one and a girl one.
Yep.
And we can make bracelets. So,
Look at you go.
plus,
I don't know why my camera is shaking like that. It's never done that before.
That computer thing that just shaking. Shaking.
Let's see if our location changes. It may not right here. Oops, we don't want to turn left. We don't want to turn right. We want to go straight. And we are going to pull in here for just 1 second.
Where? What do you need that?
Actually, since they're not here, we're going to drive up the road a bit. And we're going to see if our location changes. Whilst we're doing that,
Are you gonna have to go back?
yeah, we'll go back in just a second.
Is our location changing?
I don't know yet. We got to see. Let's see if it updates.
Oh, is it that red, yellow, and
Right there.
Is it that red, yellow, and green thing? This is a big.
No, not yet. There it goes. It did update.
We're gonna keep.
So we will turn around.
We're gonna turn around now.
We're gonna flip a Yui
Do a whip.
and head back. It did exactly what it's supposed to do. So now the only other thing we got to do is go in and see if there is a wind function. But the stream looks really stable. And the location is updating as it should. It should go back to Guthrie here in just a few minutes. I don't know if there's a way to, if it was super precise, then it would probably make a lot more pulls from the data, and it would probably be pretty expensive to do that. Cimarron City. So it is updating as it should. It didn't grab it the first time, but it is grabbing it this time. And it should switch over to Guthrie here in just a few minutes. There we go. She is working like she's supposed to. So let's see here.
What are you doing?
Well, we gotta wait on Lily.
Wait. She's right here.
No, she's not here yet. But with that being said, we'll go ahead and close out the live stream for right now. It looks as if things are working like they're supposed to, and so we are all right. So appreciate you all. If you have not taken and subscribed to the channel, please do so. Please hit that like, share, and the notification bell as well, so that you'll know when we go live next time when we're out chasing. Y'all have a great day.